In this video, you will learn how to buy fractional shares on Charles Schwab. First, open a Charles Schwab brokerage account. If you do not have an account already, visit the Charles Schwab website to open a brokerage account. This process is straightforward and typically involves a process of providing personal details, then verifying your identity. Fund your account. Deposit the funds you intend to use for purchasing fractional shares. Ensure you meet the minimum requirement funding. Access Charles Schwab Stock Slicing. Log into your Charles Schwab account. Navigate to the Schwab Stock Slicing feature, typically found under the Trade section in its own dedicated tab. Select your stocks. Choose any of the S&P 500 companies you wish to invest in. You can select up to 30 companies, all in one transaction. Allocate your investment. Decide how much you invest in each company. You can allocate a specific dollar amount to each, summing up to your total investment account. Review and confirm. Double check your selections and allocations. Once satisfied, your submit will order and purchase the full fractional share. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.